Welcome to Astrobix.com Vedic Astrology webcasts. There are numerous yogas in astrology. Some are based on the status of the ascendant, while others are based on the position of different planets. There are some yogas which are formed on the basis of Sun and Moon. In this webcast, we will talk about such yogas. The yogas formed on the basis of Sun are Veshi, Vashi, and Ubhaychari. The yogas formed on the basis of Moon are Sunafa, Anufa, and Durudhara. We will also talk about the effects of these yogas on your life. Before we go any further, it should be noted that Surya or Sun yogas are not formed with the presence of Rahu, Ketu, or Moon. Surya yogas are destroyed if the planet involved in the formation of a yoga is in the same house as Rahu, Ketu, or Moon. The same goes for yogas formed with relation to Moon. Moon yogas are destroyed if the planets involved in the formation of the yoga are in the same house as Rahu, Ketu, or Sun. Veshi yoga is formed when any planet except Rahu, Ketu, and Moon is placed in the second house from Sun. This means if Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, or Saturn is in the second house from Sun, the Veshi yoga is formed. In simple words, we may say that Rahu, Ketu, and Moon should not be in the second house from the Sun. If you are born in Veshi yoga, you may be tall, but the upper part of your body will be droopy. This may happen gradually with time. Due to the effects of this yoga, you will be neutral in your perspective towards almost everything. This means you will not differentiate one person from another. A person born in this yoga is usually truthful and honest. Such a person is inclined towards religious activities. Another aspect of Veshi yoga makes you lazy, but this is compensated by the fact that you would have a jolly nature with the presence of Veshi yoga. You will be a happy-go-lucky sort of person. Veshi yoga is considered to be an auspicious yoga. You may have some limited source of income or wealth if you are born in this yoga, but you will never lack money or be poor. Vashi yoga is formed in the Kundali when any planet except Rahu, Ketu, and Moon is placed in the 12th house from Sun. Being born in this yoga, you may have a broad upper body, you may even be fat. A person born in Vashi yoga is extremely beautiful. Such a person is also loved by his king. In modern times, when there are democracies, the person may be liked by a minister or a person at a high administrative post. Due to the effects of this yoga, you are skilled, intelligent, famous, and hardworking. You may even be inclined towards charities and donations. You may be filled with a lot of good qualities by virtue of being born in Vashi yoga. You will excel in life on the basis of your hard work. A person born in Vashi yoga has a very strong memory. Such a person is determined about what he thinks is right, and he also keeps his promises and is a man of his words. The Ubhaychari yoga is formed when any planet except Rahu, Ketu, and Moon are both in the 2nd and 12th houses from the Sun. Due to the effects of this yoga, a person has a balanced physique. He is neither too thin nor too fat. Such a person is well-mannered, and he usually has all the resources at his disposal. A person born in this yoga has a lot of wealth and will be satisfied in his life. Being born in this yoga, you may be strong and courageous. You will have a lot of friends and may have some servants too. The Sunafa yoga is formed when there is any planet except Rahu, Ketu, and Sun in the 2nd house from Moon. Due to the effects of the Sunafa yoga, you may be very intelligent. You may also be well-mannered and full of positive qualities. You will also have an immense knowledge of religion and Shastras. The Sunafa yoga is formed on the basis of Moon. Therefore, a person born in this yoga is calm and composed. He is able to acquire all the happiness in life. In case you have the Sunafa yoga, you will have wealth earned by your own means and efforts. Anufa yoga is formed when there is any planet except Rahu, Ketu, or Sun in the 12th house from the Moon. Due to the effects of this yoga, you have a beautiful and magnetic personality. Many people will be attracted towards you due to such traits. A person born in Anufa yoga has many positive qualities. Such a person may even be a very good orator. He will be influential because of his words. If you are born in this yoga, you would be famous and respected in the society. You'll also be appreciated for your work. This will make you feel satisfied. Due to the effects of the Anufa yoga, you would be free from any sort of diseases. You will possess the qualities of a king and will be able to acquire all kinds of pleasures in life. A person born in Anufa Yoga never likes to discuss his sorrows in public. He has a lot of patience and tries to be happy in front of people. The Durudhara Yoga is formed when there are planets except Rahu, Ketu or Sun in the 2nd and 12th house from Moon. A person born in this yoga is able to provide for his family through his hard work and efforts. Due to the effects of this yoga, a person is able to acquire all the material desires in life. A person born in Durudhara Yoga knows how to manage his resources well. He is able to utilize the available resources to the maximum extent. If you are born in the Durudhara Yoga, you are pure at heart. You will never want to deceive anyone and will be very intelligent. Thank you for watching this webcast. Visit astrobix.com for more free Vedic astrology, and you can also get your fortune report at astrobix.com.